That doesn't look promising. So it's finally started to rain. I've been waiting here in the apartment for a couple of hours because it's been pitch black clouds hanging over Istanbul since the morning. And now it's 1:30 in the afternoon and I still haven't got the chance to leave the apartment. But finally the rain is here, so hopefully it will pass. The plan for the day, when or if the rain stops, is to make my way to Taksim Square and from there take the subway to the neighboring station called Osman Bey, and from there walk to the Feriköy flea market. It's supposed to be open until 6 o'clock in the afternoon, so hopefully I will make it before they close. After that I have a few things in mind. I might go back to Fener and Balat, the neighborhood that I visited a couple of days ago, or I make my way to Ferikoy, which is a neighborhood north or northeast of Besiktas, so it's further away from the city center than I've been before. It's not raining anymore, at least not as much as it did before, so it's now or never. So I made it to Osman Bey and the weather looks promising. It's not raining anymore and the sun is actually starting to shine. Let's see if I can make my way to the flea market. It should be right up the street somewhere. I think we've found what we're looking for. It's actually quite easy to navigate to the flea market from the Osman Bey metro station. It's just one big road that you follow a long way down and then you have to do a couple of turns at the end, but pretty straightforward. It takes about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to walk. It can be a long afternoon. Never ends. I think this is all the market I can handle for one day. And also I think it's about to close because a lot of the merchants are packing their stuff up, so this is a good cue for me to leave. So if we're in Istanbul on a Sunday and you have a couple of hours to spare, I can definitely recommend going to the Feriköy market. About 15 minutes from the train station or the subway station, and the area in itself is actually kind of nice. I couldn't find a place to eat in Osman Bey, so I took the subway to Haliç, which I figured out would be the closest stop to Balat and Fener. Weirdly enough, the stop is in the middle of a bridge, so I really don't know why they placed it there, but there must be some reason that I don't know. It's still very weird. Nevertheless, I'm really close to where I'm going compared to where I would have been if I had taken some of the other stops. That's where I'm heading. Of the moment decision to hail a bus that was going in the direction that I think I am going, so let's see where I end up. I took the bus all the way up to Balat and my plan is to walk back down to Fener and try to
actually see the things that's in Fenner this time. So I ended up eating at the same restaurant as I did the last time I was here, because it's hard to find the vegetarian places. And everywhere I asked, they all said, no, you should go to the Maccabi Cafe. And I can really recommend it. The food here is really, really good. And I had a vegetarian casserole with some bread and rice. It's super, super, super nice. It's sizzling hot. And now I'm having a cup of tea before heading out to experience Fenner. Fenner, I'm coming for you. I think I somehow missed Fenner again. I don't know how it happened. I don't know where Fenner is apparently. Or I've been there both the times I've thought I'd missed it. I don't know. It was a beautiful afternoon anyway. So now I'm taking the shoreline back to where I can find my tram or subway so I can get back home. Because I think that's the plan for now. I think I'm going to try and catch a bus back to Eminenu where my tram for home leaves from. Because if I take the tram from Fenner, I still have to walk quite a bit to get to the next tram stop. So the bus worked out pretty easy last time, so let's go for it again. Just got off the bus at Eminenu, and this is apparently the place to be on the weekend, at least on a Sunday evening. There are so many people here. Now I'm back at Kabatash station, the station that is closest to where I live. I know I made the right decision to go back to the Airbnb. It's a beautiful evening, so I'm really going to enjoy the view one last time before moving out of the apartment. That's really close parking.